Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is Wednesday, February 13th, 2019. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, look at this market. You'll see that the futures right now are trading up by 7 points. Actually, $7.75 on the S&P 500 E-minis. Right now, they're at 27.52 and a quarter per contract. So market's still holding up pretty well. Yesterday, the markets had a very, very robust up day. Really, all the major indexes soared and roared right out of the gate. Today, we'd probably expect a little bit more of a subdued market. I don't think we'd see that big climb like we saw yesterday. Generally, after a big up day, you get a pause day or you get a little retrenchment. So we'll see what we get here. We'll see how this all plays out. But in the meantime, we have lots of stocks in the news. Let's get started with Activision first. That is video game stock right now. It is trading at $43.05. Stock closed at $41.68. This has been a beaten down equity. So nice little pop here for Activision. We'll see if it can hold its gains into the morning. I don't know if there's much to do here right now, but we'll be looking at this one today. I don't see the stock, even if it does come down, there's a big floor at $40. So I don't really see it coming much below there. If it did come back down right now, it's upticking. And we'll give it the benefit of the doubt. I'm not seeing great resistance in play either. Again, the 44.50 to 45 level, I guess, would be the first big resistance point. But we'll keep an eye on this one. Not much I would do with it right now. If you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, just leave it alone for the time being. But we will definitely look at it later. Let's take a look at TWLO, TWLO. This stock was all over the map after earnings. Spiked higher, then went all the way down below 107. Now it's trading at 117.70, so it's in positive territory from yesterday's close. This is a good little move. Again, when I look at TWLO, the only problem I see with the stock is that it's very, very overbought on a bigger time frame. But outside of that, no real issue. The trend is up, and the trend is your friend, except at the end. So what you want to do with this one is trail the stop loss if you own it. If you do not own it, leave it alone here at the moment. We'll look at it and reevaluate it once the opening bell rings today. Let's take a look at AKAM, AKAM. AKAM Technologies right now trading at $70.27. This stock closed at $69.35, so you got a nice little uptick there. Again, after hours yesterday, it was all over the map. Now settling in a little bit. So we'll be keeping an eye on this one. I don't think there's much to do here. There's another one where if you own it, you really want to trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, I would kind of leave it alone for now and see how it settles out once the opening bell rings today. Let's take a look at TripAdvisor. TRIP is the ticker symbol there. Stock is trading at $57.16, closed at $60.40. So this is a good little haircut for TripAdvisor. If it does get down to the $50 level today, I really like that area a lot. I don't know if that would happen. In the meantime, I don't really see anything that gets me excited right now with this stock. It's only down about 3 points from its close. So there's not a whole lot we're going to do with it yet, but it will definitely be on our radar today. Let's take a look here at TEVA Pharmaceuticals, TEVA. This stock right now is trading at $16.79, closed at $19.12. So this is a good little haircut for TEVA. Stock is coming down after reporting earnings. I don't think there's a lot of downside to this name, but this is a wild stock. It trades in big, big price action, wide swings. So you want to be a little bit careful with TEVA. We'll look at this one once the opening bell rings as well. Let's take a look at Dish Networks, DISH. Stock right now is trading at $29.50, closed at $31.26. So good little haircut here for this stock. We'll look at some levels here. I might have some levels ready to go for Dish Networks. Nothing I'm seeing right now, but comes down a little bit more. Definitely will be in play today. Let's take a look at Fleur Systems. FLR is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at $36.50, closed at $36.60. No real pre-market activity, but keep it on the radar. They did report earnings. It will be in play today. We'll do one more here. IPG. Stock is trading at $22.65, closed at $21.67. So it still has a little uptick in the cards here from the close. Let's look at this one once the opening bell rings. This is a stock that can have some pretty good swings here intraday, so we'll see what it does. But again, it will be on my radar this morning. Let's switch gears here. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold futures trading up 70 cents this morning to $1,314.70 an ounce. Then you have crude oil today up another 47 cents to $53.57 a barrel. So crude getting a little bit of a bid. Let's take a look at the USO real quick. This is a good ETF. Track the movement in crude, trading at 11.25 this morning. So there you have it. We'll see what we get today. Again, still got a lot of earnings plays out here, more coming this week, so we should get some good morning activity. And if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We're having a great 2019, had a monster 2018, and we're going to look to keep this going right into the end of the year. With that being said, everybody, I want to wish you all a great session, and we will see you on the charts.